Okay, pupils, we are on this Year 6 Academy Stars Workbook on page 94. We are on Unit 9. So you may refer to grammar reference at page 126. So this is Lesson 3, Grammar. Activity 1. What did Anna's mom say? Cross out the mistake in each reported sentence. Write the correct word or words. Number 1. I eat too much salt. She said she eat too much salt. So already cross out it. So it should be ATE. So second question. It isn't a healthy diet. She said it not be a healthy diet. So we need to cross out not be and change to wasn't. So we cross out not be and then change to wasn't. Number 3. I like the idea of the ad. She said she liked the idea of the ad. Number 3. So we cross out like and then we change to LIKED. Number 4. I'm shopping at the moment. She said she shopped at the moment. So we cross out shop here and then change to past continuous tense. So was shopping. And then number 5, we're looking for healthy products. She said they look for healthy products. So we cross out look here and then change to past continuous tense. So were looking. And then next, number 6. I have some in my basket. She says she have some in her basket. So have, you cross out and then you change to had. So next we go to activity 2. Complete the reported sentences with what the doctor said. Number 1, sugar is bad for you. Number 2, a healthy diet is important. Number 3, everyone eats too much sugar. Number 4, many foods are full of sugar. Number 5, you are eating too much chocolate. Number 6, you aren't eating enough vegetables. So number 1, he said sugar was bad for you. And then number 2, so I maximize it here. And then we already have full stop behind here. So number 2, he said a healthy diet was important. So is you change to was. And number 3, he said everyone so it's you change to at too much sugar. Number 4, he said many foods were full of sugar. Many foods were, are you change to were, full of sugar. Number 5, he said, I. So you change to I. Are eating, you change to was eating. Was eating too much chocolate. And number 6, he said, I. So aren't, you change to wasn't. Wasn't eating enough vegetables. So that's it for this page. So we are on this Year 6 Academy Stars Workbook on page 94. So if you're okay, you can subscribe here. And then you can watch the related contents here. And then right below this video, there's a link. You can click it. You can join my Telegram robot for free.